We're excited to host our CTECH Open House. We are in the third year of operation here at CTECH, and we wanted an opportunity to invite the public, the community, our parents, students here to CTECH to see our facility and learn a little bit more about the career pathways that we offer to our students. Yeah, we have all kinds of students here at CTECH. We have students who are looking at careers that will require a 4-year degree. We have students that are interested in careers that might require a 2-year degree or a 1-year program at a post-secondary institution. And we have students that are interested in moving directly into a career after high school. So we attempt to provide them with opportunities regardless of which pathway they're choosing.
And just showing off what we do, and then we got the cookies that we made in our class out on display for the people who want to come in for the open house and kind of check things out with the school. And I heard that we're going to be doing stuff with deep frying. We got like a bunch more stuff back there than we did at our schools, so there's way more possibilities here. Like, we got a grill back there, we got a stove back there, a bunch of stuff. Cooking's always been a fun thing for me. I've been doing it since I was a kid, so I wouldn't mind making something I love doing into a career.
Students can contact us directly here at CTECH. They can also speak with their counselor at their high school, and their counselor or their administration can provide them with information on how to register for classes here at CTECH.